What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys are having, well, a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button and follow me on both of my Instagram and Snapchat. In a recent video, you noticed that I installed the TurboSmart boost reference adapter, Tial 50mm blow-off valve, along with the CPE Exhale Kit, and I'm just making a video kind of to show you guys the sound of it, and sorry, that sound is just too good. Kind of review it, I guess I can say. The install, let's start with the install. The install was a pain in the ass. The fitment behind it is very, very tight. The charge pipe from the intercooler to the throttle body is, I guess you could say, a very tight fit. It was difficult to get into position. Other than that, the install was fairly simple. Once that was in place, it was very simple. The TurboSmart boost reference adapter, very simple. The only thing that held me up was getting that charge pipe in place. The blow-off valve itself went into place very easy. It's just a clamp that holds it down. But it took like 4 hours to get that pipe into place. Was it worth it? Absolutely. It sounds so much better than any other blow-off valve kit on the market. The HKS also has a kit for it. With the CPE Exhale Kit, you have the option of either the Tial 50mm blow-off valve or the HKS blow-off valve, and in my opinion, the Tial overall just sounds much better, and really it's just a much more reliable blow-off valve, I guess you can say. So right now I'm going to try to get the sound of the blow-off valve on camera for you guys. Hopefully I can get on it a little bit here. I know the traffic is a little heavy, so I'm just hoping that this camera picks it up, because the flutters that you get and the blow-off sound noise is just amazing. Kind of sounds like that bus. No, I'm just kidding. So some people don't know what the TurboSmart boost reference adapter does, and pretty much what that does is it eliminates the hissing noise that you would get with your TurboSmart 5050 blow-off valve or your boom boom blow-off valve going freeway speeds. I'm not sure if this problem exists with the Focus ST, but it definitely exists with the RS, where under, say you're going 65 or 70 miles per hour, cruise control on, and you're not touching the throttle at all, just maintaining speed, your blow-off valve opens and it sounds like a major boost leak, and really it's just annoying. Does it hurt performance? No, because once you get on it, the blow-off valve obviously closes. Let's see if we can hear this. Sounds amazing. Hopefully you can hear that. That blow-off valve sounds next to, I don't know, it's my favorite blow-off valve that you could possibly buy on the market right now. So obviously the kit's a little pricey. The boost reference adapter is about 40 bucks. The CPE Exhale Kit with the Tial 50mm blow-off valve, I believe, was $512. So a little pricey. After all, it costs you about $550. But it's an investment for the future as well, because at the end of the day, I can run methanol if I want, or I'm ready to go big turbo with this kit. This pops sound good too. So if I'm unable to capture the sound with this camera, I'll route an external microphone into the engine bay, and hopefully you can hear it then, because honestly guys, it sounds absolutely amazing. I couldn't be any more happier with this blow-off valve. I wasn't sure what to expect. I wasn't sure if I would have to change the spring or if I could just use it as it comes. And if you're running an RS or an ST, I definitely recommend you just keep the factory spring that came with it, because there's no sound in comparison to this blow-off valve. It's not a long blow-off valve. It's just short and quick to the point, and it sounds, you know, well, amazing. Now hopefully my exhaust tone doesn't get captured over that blow-off noise. Sure, the exhaust sounds great, but this blow-off valve is special. So under a light load, barely any boost, you get more of a flutter noise, and then when you're in higher boost, you get the real thing. You get the blow-off valve noise, and of course a little bit of flutter as well. It sounds great. I mean, honestly, I've been driving around now since I've got it, and I've been averaging like 13-14 miles per gallon, and I feel like a little kid trying to get it to go off all the time. Alright guys, so I just got at the gym. I'm about to smash this workout. As soon as we're done with this workout, I promise guys, I will mount the GoPro on the car, and from there I will get the external mic, run it out the window, run it by the engine bay somewhere, mount it to the engine bay, and hopefully we get some great Tial 50mm blow-off valve noises for you guys. Really, this blow-off valve sounds amazing. I'm sad that my other camera wasn't able to pick it up. You can barely hear it with the other camera, and I really want you guys to experience how great this blow-off valve sounds. Maybe in the future I will get an exterior sound, kind of like a flyby, but trying to get the blow-off valve to go off as I'm passing. I think that would sound great. So it's kind of sad because the sound on the other mic is just so much better than this mic. It's just much better quality. So hopefully this method will work. If not, I will get the exterior sound in a video coming real soon. Alright you guys, I just got done with the gym. It's time to route that. Shut up. Anyhow, it's time to route the mic into the engine bay. Let's get going. Alright, so hopefully the external, I'm sorry, let me get these lights on. Hopefully that external mic picked up that blow-off valve sound very, very well. I'm imagining it did. If not, I apologize in advance. I did everything that I could possibly do to capture this noise for you guys. If it didn't capture it, believe me guys, it sounds amazing. I'm happy with my purchase, no doubt about it. It was 100% worth the money. Alright you guys, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button, drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this CPE Exhale Kit with the Tial 50mm blow-off valve. Would you have rather gone with the Tial or the HKS? And of course guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm checking out.